Supply chain management in its simplest form consists of planning, sourcing, manufacturing, inventory, warehouse management, order management, fulfillment and delivery, and return, refund, change, cancel and renew. Planning is the foundational element in the supply chain. 3 levels of planning around strategic, years, tactical, months, and operational, daily. A move to subscription, services-based model would impact decisions around things such as how many distribution facilities are needed and where. How do we increase revenue by 10%? And what needs to change in our supply chain configuration? Predictive analytics and AI are playing a big role in supply chain planning. Subscriptions are making things more predictable with more consistent demand and less fluctuation in order volume, making forecasting, inventory management and scheduling easier. With the subscription-based models, ensuring the right products and services are sourced and made is more important than ever, as businesses have made a commitment to their customers to deliver the goods and services, whether curated items, consistent shipment of the same good, or a service on top of a complex product. A subscriber could be left unable to use the product or service they paid for if this portion breaks, ultimately leading to a negative brand experience. A key consideration in this category is what type of product is being offered. Is it pre-built, not customized, or is it made to order? For industrial and high-tech companies, embedding IoT sensors into products will be necessary to enable tracking and triggering of services. Feeding off making the correct supply-demand of products, how you warehouse and manage inventory is just as crucial. Inventory management ensures that your customers get access to the right products in the most efficient way. Inventory levels, SKU counts may shift up or down as well, depending on the type of offering you're launching. If offering a curated service, a wide assortment of constantly changing SKUs is needed. If offering a replenishment service, inventory can be easily predicted, shipping from the most efficient warehouse or even drop shipped. Fulfillment is often known as the pick, pack and ship part of supply chain, with delivery entailing order tracking and receipts. For subscriptions, this could mean shipping a physical good and activating the subscription upon receipt, or the fulfillment could be instant with digital downloads and access. Having connected processes in place ensures the billing and revenue recognition is applied correctly on the goods and services. In order to recognize any revenue, the business has to have delivered the services to the customer. Service subscription-based models add in a lot of complexity around the servicing portion of a subscription. Unlike a one-time purchase, subscriptions can be changed, amended, cancelled. All of this can be done mid-cycle, impacting revenue recognition. Although most monthly services are generally non-reimbursed, the same cannot be said for annual subscriptions. By accurately tracking deferred revenue, it becomes possible to handle customer cancellations quickly and efficiently. Renewals are also part of the servicing aspect of supply chain. Having an accurate picture into renewals feeds into planning, manufacturing, and inventory forecast. This is a constant cycle as information analytics feed into the planning process. Supply chain is all about having the right products available to ship to the customer at the right time in the right quantities. This depends upon the robust forecasting and supply planning capabilities of Oracle's supply chain planning, and where appropriate, detailed collaboration with customers, suppliers, and even contractor manufacturers. Purchasing of raw materials, services, and goods for resale is handled by procurement, and manufacturers of both discrete and process-type products can take advantage of the robust functionality of the work definition and execution modules, as well as a highly tailorable quality management module. The inventory module monitors quantity on hand and product movements throughout the enterprise with specialized functionality of warehouse management. Products including finished goods and aftermarket parts for distributors, as well as raw materials and sub-assemblies for manufacturers and also services, are all managed throughout their life cycles. The order management module takes care of pricing, tracking, and fulfillment of customer orders, along with the specialized logistics functionality of global trade and transportation management. A dedicated model to support preventative and corrective maintenance of company resources is also part of the SCM landscape. And that concludes our supply chain management tour.